open your course, complete the practice session, and then proceed to complete Lesson 5. Working with variables. Variables are crucial in software development. They allow you to store, label, and manipulate data. We can store strings in variables using quotation marks. Example: size equals medium. Here, size is a variable name and medium is a value to size variable. Displaying the value of the size variable by calling its name using the print instruction. We can also store numbers in variables. Example: age equals 34. Here, age is a variable name, and 34 is the variable value assigned to age variable. First, I am declaring the age variable and assigning a value of 34 to it. Then, I am displaying the variable using the print instruction. We can access the value stored in a variable by calling its name. I am displaying the value of the size variable by its name, and then the value of the age variable by its name. We can also display multiple values on a single line with the help of a comma. We can perform calculations using the values in variables. First, I am declaring two variables: a equals 12, b equals 6. First, performing addition. Then performing subtraction. Then multiplication. Last, division. We can also store the result of calculations in a variable. Here, I am updating the values of two variables. A equals 9. B equals 3. Declaring the new variable C as the sum of A and B. Displaying the value of C with the help of print instruction. Updating the value of C. C equals subtraction of A and B. Displaying C value. Updating the value of C. C equals A into B. Displaying the C value. Updating the value of C. C equals A by B. Displaying C value. We can update the value stored in a variable. The variable will forget the previously stored value. Observe carefully. Here first I declared A equals 12. Then I declared B equals 6. I updated the value of A to 9, A forget its previous value. Now, A has the value 9. I also updated the value of B to 3, B forget its previous value. Now, B has the value 3. Displaying values of A and B. Whenever we update the value of a variable, Python considers only the latest value, not the previous value. Updating the value of a variable is called reassigning the value to a variable. Please subscribe for more videos. If you like my video, please hit the like button. It will reach others and also help others.